Okay, so I'm here with another question. Would you rather give your Google Ads directly to an agency or get consulting and handle everything yourself? Okay. So the question is, I'm curious on what's the right strategies. On one hand, agencies save time and usually already have the structure, creatives, and optimization processes in place. On the other hand, getting consulting and running the campaigns yourself seems cheaper and gives you more control plus transparency. For people who have tried both, what worked better for you? What's your opinion, Ali, on this? Was the agency worth the cost, or did you get better results from managing things on your own with expert guidance? I'm in jewelry business. Okay, so first of all, I may not be exactly the right person to answer this thing because I run a digital marketing agency myself. So I will eventually want customers to use my service. But if I try to be neutral and try to answer your question regarding this, I think as a business owner, you should know most of the things. You may know the basics at least of how Google Ads or Bing Ads or Meta Ads work and how this stuff work. But I think that as a business owner, you cannot do everything. Why do you hire staff? You have to pay the money for the staff, and this this becomes expensive. But what you are getting is a service from that staff. That is how it's a good idea to give it to the agency who knows the structure, creatives, and optimization process, as you told. And then you will be completely burden free from that aspect, and you can focus on core things or principle of your business. Specifically as a business owner, one of your strategies should be to work on development and increasing your business and look around for the systems and flows. So I think that if you give it to the agency, it gives you more time to do for what you are originally assigned to. But if you try to handle yourself, you cannot handle all the time. You may be busy, you get busy, sometimes you get an emergency, and you are going to waste money on Google Ads, and you later on realize, oh, I wasted a lot of money. I was busy somewhere. Because as a businessman, you may have unpredictable schedule, and which is why you cannot monitor your campaign all the time. Also, you may have an issue with, let's say, if your ads were not running good for today, you can simply ask your marketing team or agency to look around, and they can sort it out. But if you are going to sort it yourself, you are going to spend a lot of money. You cannot, it's not like you cannot get consultations with them, and you may have to get consultations, and let's say you get a consultation for tomorrow, and for whatever the today and tomorrow, are you going to wait for them? And then after tomorrow, you will once get the consultation, you may be confused on, is it a good strategy or not? Because after 2 days of getting no conversions, your risk capabilities decrease as well, because as a business owner you are losing money and you think starting differently. So as a mindset, I think that this is not a good idea to handle everything yourself. Also you may know at least the basics, and you should know the basics of all of these things. But no, I clearly do not recommend. Also, I myself run an agency, but my opinion is no, you cannot, as a business owner, you cannot do everything, and you need to outsource, or you need to hire staff, which is why I recommend hiring a Google Ads agency. We are one of those as well. So in case if anyone needs a best Google Ads agency, we are over here, and we are an Dubai based LLC. And in any case, if anyone needs our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And also, you are in jewelry business but this rules apply for any business. So I hope this answers your question. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.